Hello and happy Thursday, everyone. This is our last word of the day writing. I can't believe how far we've come. Okay, let's get started. You should have your name on your paper from yesterday. If yesterday was May 13th, that means today is going to be Thursday, May 14th, 2020. Good, so we're gonna write 5-14-20. Nice job, boys and girls. Okay, and your word today is the word set. Write the word set. If you need more time, go ahead and pause the video. Otherwise, let's get started. Ready? Hands up, stretching it out. Set. Say it fast. Set. Good. Count how many sounds. Ready? Set. How many sounds? 3. Good job, boys and girls. What's the first sound in our word set? Like in Snyder's name, letter S. Letter E. Good. Letter T. Look, making sure my T starts at the ceiling and all my other letters start at the stairs. Okay, set. Now starting to think of a word that rhymes with it. We've done bet and let and met. Actually, we haven't done met yet this week, have we? That's what word I'm going to do for rhyming. You may think of your own or you may copy mine. Remember, when we do rhyming words, we want a real word, not a silly word. Met. Okay, boys and girls, our sentence today is a little bit easier than some of the ones we've had this week. Are you ready? I like to set the table. Read it with me or say it with me. Ready? I like to set the table. Okay, say it by yourself and count how many words. Let's see how many. Ready? I like to set the table. 5 and 1. 6. Good job, guys. I think a lot of you got that today too. Nice work. Okay, here we go. What's our first word? I. Every time we write letter I, we always have to write it as a capital letter. I. What comes next? Like. Good. Making sure you do your spaceman. Let's read it. Ready? I like to. How do we write to? That's a sight word. T-O. Good. Read it with me. I like to set. That's your word of the day. Write it one more time. Are you ready? Okay, read it with me. I like to set the. We all know sight word the. How do we write the? T-H-E. Good. Okay, let's read it. I like to set the table. Okay, listening to how we write table. Ready? Let's say all the sounds. T-A-B-O. So we're going to write T. Ready? T. A. Remember, when we write letter B, we start at the top, big line down, belly around. Next comes letter L. And last, we have a magic E. Table. Good. Did everybody get that on their paper? Let's read it, my friends. Ready? I like to set the table. What do we need at the end of our sentence? Period. Nice job, boys and girls. Make sure you have your mommy or somebody take a picture and upload it on Schoology or send it to me on Dojo. Bye, guys.